For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. The weight loss industry continues to thrive as millions of people seek support in achieving healthier lives. Launching a weight loss business today doesn't require huge startup capital. With the power of free AI tools, you can plan, brand, market, and manage a results-driven business efficiently. This guide walks you through a practical, step-by-step process to help you build your own weight loss business using free artificial intelligence tools, from concept to execution. Step 1. Define your niche and business model. To succeed in the weight loss industry, you must target a specific market and choose a business model that suits your resources and skills. You can offer digital coaching, personalized meal planning, fitness programs, weight loss tracking, or motivational support communities. Think about whether you want to sell services, products, subscriptions, or a combination. Use ChatGPT, https://chat.openai.com, to help you explore and refine your niche. This free AI chatbot can brainstorm ideas, validate your market, and help you analyze your competition. Prompt: act as a business strategist. What are profitable niche ideas for starting a weight loss business in 2025, and what are the pros and cons of each? Step 2. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan sets the foundation for clarity and growth. It outlines your mission, goals, pricing, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. ChatGPT can create an initial draft tailored to your niche. Prompt: create a simple business plan for an online weight loss coaching service targeting women aged 30 to 50 who want to lose weight naturally without strict diets. You can then refine the plan or ask ChatGPT to expand on specific sections such as financial projections, customer personas, or operational plans. Step 3. Build your brand. Branding sets you apart in the crowded weight loss market. You'll need a name, logo, color palette, and tagline. Free AI logo generators like Loka, https://loka.com, and Namelix, https://nomelix.com, help you design your brand identity. Use ChatGPT to generate brand name ideas and taglines. Prompt: suggest brand name ideas and taglines for a motivational weight loss program for busy professionals. Once you have a name, use Canva's free logo generator, https://www.canva.com, to create a visual identity using AI-powered design suggestions. Step 4. Develop your offerings. Decide what products or services you'll offer. These may include coaching sessions, digital meal plans, workout videos, motivational emails, or mobile-friendly PDFs. You can use ChatGPT to help you design these resources. Prompt: write a 4-week weight loss meal plan for women over 40 focused on whole foods and portion control. Include calorie estimates and tips. To create workouts, try prompting. Create a beginner-level home workout routine for weight loss with no equipment, 30 minutes a day. You can format and design your materials using Canva's templates for guides, ebooks, and schedules. Step 5. Set up a free website or landing page. You'll need an online home where clients can learn about your services and sign up. Use Card, https://card.co, or Google Sites, https://sites.google.com, to build a simple, free landing page. You can describe your services, list testimonials, and include a contact or sign-up form. Ask ChatGPT to help you write the website content. Prompt: write a homepage introduction for a weight loss coaching website that helps women lose weight naturally and sustainably. You can also generate an FAQ section, service descriptions, or success story outlines using AI. Step 6. Market your business using free AI tools. AI can help you plan and implement a full marketing strategy. Begin by creating a digital marketing plan with ChatGPT. Prompt: act as a digital marketing expert. Create a 30-day marketing plan to promote a weight loss coaching business using social media and email. Use Canva's Magic Design or Adobe Express AI tools to create eye-catching social media graphics, Instagram carousels, and motivational quotes. To generate social media content, write 10 Instagram captions for a weight loss coach promoting body positivity and lifestyle change. If you want to automate posting, use free tools like Buffer's free plan, https://buffer.com, to schedule and manage content across multiple platforms. Step 7. Launch a lead magnet to attract clients. Offer a valuable freebie to get people onto your email list. This could be a free ebook, checklist, challenge, or quiz. ChatGPT can help you develop and format it. Prompt: create a 7-day weight loss challenge guide that includes daily tips, simple meals, and motivational quotes. To deliver your lead magnet and collect emails, use MailChimp's free plan, https://mailchimp.com, which includes automation tools powered by AI. Ask ChatGPT. Write a welcome email series for new subscribers who downloaded a free 7-day weight loss challenge. Step 8. Engage your audience with AI-powered content. Stay connected with your audience by sharing blogs, newsletters, videos, or podcasts. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts, articles, or outlines. Prompt: write a blog post titled 5 Reasons You're Not Losing Weight Even Though You're Eating Healthy. For video ideas, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a weight loss coach helping busy moms stay on track. To record professional audio, try free tools like Podcastle, https://podcastle.ai, which uses AI to enhance your voice quality and remove background noise. Step 9. Offer coaching or courses via AI-enabled platforms. Once you've built an audience, you can scale by offering group coaching or courses. Use Thinkific's free plan, https://www.thinkific.com, to build and launch an online course. You could design the curriculum using ChatGPT. Prompt: outline a 6-week weight loss coaching program with weekly themes, goals, and assignments. You can deliver content in videos, PDFs, or interactive lessons and track student progress. Step 10. Collect feedback and improve. Use Google Forms or Typeform to gather client feedback. Analyze responses using Google Sheets or AI-powered summaries from ChatGPT. Prompt: summarize the most common suggestions from the following survey responses and recommend improvements for my weight loss program. Paste survey results. Improving your services based on feedback helps you build trust and long-term success. Conclusion: starting a weight loss business today is more accessible than ever, thanks to the rise of free AI tools. With creativity and consistency, you could develop a compelling brand, design valuable services, and connect with people who genuinely need help. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Loka, Thinkific, and MailChimp empower you to create content, automate processes, and scale quickly, without high upfront costs. Follow these steps with intention, and you'll be on your way to building a meaningful, profitable business that changes lives. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.